my tuck.
Today, Peppa and her friends are playing Doctors and Patients.
You have a very sore throat. I know what will help. A warm scarf. Thank you, Dr. Rebecca. I feel better already. You're welcome. Next, please. Doctor, my tummy's making bubbly noises. I'll get my listen, Majiggy. Aha! You're hungry. Take 2 carrots twice a day. Thank you, Dr. Rebecca. You're welcome. Next, please.
Rebecca loves playing doctor.
Can you help me? I've got a horrible cough.
Sorry, I don't know how to help a dragon. Maybe someone else should be the doctor now.
You can do it, Rebecca. Just use your imagination.
Well, let me look, Mrs. Dragon.
Now, Peppa and her friends are using their imagination to play.
Dress up with me. You can set your imagination free.
I've got you.
Dress up with me. You can be
Wardle.
So, Dr. Rebecca uses her imagination to come up with creative ways to help.
Thank you, Dr. Rebecca.
I've never had such a tiny patient before. There! Thank you, Dr. Rebecca. I don't know much about aliens, but I know about eyes. Can you read these letters? Z, Bluegill, Glob. Aha! You need glasses. Thank you, Dr. Rebecca. Phew, all done. Now I can... Oh, no. Do you need more help?
No, this time we're here to help you.
Now, everyone is using their imagination to help Dr. Rebecca.
Have a hot, hot chocolate.
Phew, and a nice sit down.
Peppa! What's going on in here?
We're using our imaginations.
Everyone loves using their imagination.
Sounds like fun.
OK, everyone. That sound is a fire alarm. So let's all hold hands and move to the fire exit, please. Nice and calm.
Come on, Rebecca. I'll help you.
That's it. Keep calm, stay together and follow the leader. That's me.
Today, Peppa and her playgroup have come to the safety centre.
That was just a practice fire alarm, but you all did very well. Do you remember what we said to do at the safety centre if there is a fire?
Stay together. Look for the fire exit sign. And follow the leader outside.
But only if it's safe.
Rebecca Rabbit is feeling a bit nervous about everything there is to learn.
We're going to practice lots of ways to keep safe today, including in the car.
This pretend car is for practicing being safe when you're out for a drive.
Now, Peppa, what must you always do when you're in the car?
You have to buckle up, Buttercup.
Yes, we should always wear seatbelts when we're in the car. And I love that little rhyme, Peppa.
My daddy taught me it.
Let's all have a go.
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Well done, everyone. Come on, then. One more stop to go.
Oh, yes. I think we should have many banana-nanas.
Yes, I do love banana-nanas.
Oh, I'll get them. Huh? Not quite ripe.
Next, everyone is going to learn how to call for help when they need it in a pretend supermarket.
Very funny, you lot, but we have a very important lesson to learn here. You need to know who to call for help when you need it. And this is the perfect place to practice. Why don't you go first, Rebecca?
I don't
Oh dear, Rebecca is still feeling a bit nervous.
Why don't you go and help her, Peppa? Ready, steady, go! Who do you need to call?
She looks like she's hurt herself, Rebecca.
So she needs a doctor.
Well done. Next.
Oh no! She's stolen all the carrots.
We should call the police.
That's right. Things are hotting up. Last one now.
It's so loud.
Oh dear, now Peppa is having trouble.
We need to call the firefighters.
But Rebecca Rabbit is there to help.
Stay together, look for the fire exit and follow the leader if it's safe.
Everyone needs help to stay safe sometimes.
You did it. Thank you, Rebecca.
And friends are always there when you need them. Today, Peppa and her friends are playing a racing game at the arcade.
Your turn, Susie. I'll watch.
I wish we could all play together. We'd be the best team ever.
Peppa Pig and friends to the playroom, please.
Come on, little darlings. That's us. But it was my turn.
Hello, girls. Welcome to the playroom.
This playroom has giant screens on the walls.
Can we all play together, Miss Rabbit?
Of course, that's the best way to play.
Yay! Best team ever!
This is where you choose the game you want to play. Now, have fun.
Let's do this one.
Whoa!
For this game, you have to stay on the green floor. Don't stand on the red because the floor is lava.
Peppa and her friends are very good at the floor is lava. But the lava is getting faster.
Quick, Susie. You have to jump. You can do it.
We'll catch you! Best team ever!
Got you.
Congratulations, you win!
Great teamwork, girls!
In this game, you have to run around and make sure you don't get caught by the squirmy snakes.
The snakes in this game are very speedy and very squirmy.
Got you.
Oh, good try, girls.
You'll need these special gloves for the last game.
Wow! So cool!
And you have to use the gloves to blast the fruit.
I did it.
Me too! This is fun! Watch out, Peppa! Got it!
New high score.
Wow! That was fun
Peppa and her friends love playing games together. They really are the best team ever.
Welcome to our terrific Teamwork Challenge. 3 teams will compete in action-packed, nail-biting games and work together to win.
Today, Peppa and George are playing some special team games.
Our first game is the Swirly Whirly Ball Drop. Collect balls in your team's colour and drop them in the domes. Easy! Go! Oh, Emily and Edmond have decided to collect the balls together. Oops! Yes! And Rebecca and Richard are passing them to each other. Peppa and George are...
Why don't you get the balls?
No.
Okay, I'll get them. And
No.
But we have to work together, George, like a team.
Okay.
Time's up! The winners are Edmond and Emily.
Oh, trumpets.
Our second game is Tallest Towers. Build a tower using your team's block. Tallest tower wins. Go! Rebecca and Richard are starting strong. Oh no, they've gone wrong. Oh, that rhymed.
We need the yellow blocks.
Things are looking, very precise with Emily and Edmond.
No.
Oh, Peppa and George are making 2 separate towers.
Now we have 2 ways to win, George.
And stop.
Oh, no!
Oh dear. Well, Rebecca and Richard win.
Hooray!
Unlucky you two. Remember, these games are about teamwork. You have to work together to win. The final game is shadow shapes. Fun shapes will appear on the wall, and you have 5 seconds to copy them like this. But remember, you have to work as a team. Now, everyone ready? Go!
We've got this, George. Copy me.
Ooh, great teamwork, Peppa and George.
Oh.
Great try, Rebecca and Richard. Here's the next shadow. It's a...
Dinosaur!
Lead the way, George.
It appears to be from the late Triassic period. Perhaps a Plateosaurus.
Oh, unlucky, but very educational. And well done to Peppa and George for working so well together.
Yeah! We make a good team, George.
That means everyone won a game.
Everyone loves working as a team.
Ba-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da. Oh,
So much music!
Come on, you two.
dum.
Today, Peppa and her friends are at a music museum.
Look, George.
This first room is all about how music can make us feel.
I feel happy! Yeah!
Peppa and George have to bang the drums along with the song.
Look at you two go.
Danny Dog is feeling a bit frustrated.
I can't do it! It's just making me feel angry. Maybe if you're angry, you can play the angry song and let it out. Okay. Music is great!
That was good thinking, Peppa.
Music is great for letting big feelings out.
I wonder what instruments are in this room. Oh.
This room has no instruments, but it does have music.
Do you know what's magical about music?
Can it disappear? Are you sure?
Not quite. Music is everywhere. You just have to look for it.
Peppa and George look all around the room to find the music. But with lots of curiosity,
Oh. Huh? Wow!
Ooh, so soothing.
and a bit of luck,
Bless you, George.
they realise Daddy Pig is right.
Music is everywhere.
Yay!
La 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 la. What kind of music is in here? Whoa! Oh, the blocks are the music.
This room helps you make a song with colourful blocks.
Nope. Nope.
What a tune.
Sounds great.
Every day we learn and play. Family and big adventures. Let's jump in on Peppa Pig.
Peppa has made her very own song.
Woof! What's this? Drums! And this one's guitar! I wish I could bring my song with me.
Well, remember, the thing about music is...
Music is everywhere.
Peppa loves music. Everyone loves music.
I crown you Queen Peppa. Thank you, Queen Peppa. You're welcome, Queen Peppa.
Today, Peppa is Queen of the Castle.
Golly, who could be at the door?
Hello? Can I play too?
But of course, there's space for everyone.
Hooray! I love space! Yay!
Astronaut Susie, can you help me count my jewels?
Roger that, Your Majesty!
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
Queen Peppa and astronaut Susie have lots of jewels to count.
Howdy!
Pedro Pony wants to play too.
Can I join you, partners?
Yes, Cowboy Pedro, you may enter. Can you help us count the jewels?
You got it, partner! Whoa! I just got myself stuck! Astronaut Susie to the rescue!
And now everyone wants to join in.
Come in. There's space for everyone, I think.
I be keeping these jewels all for myself. Stop right there. Those are Queen Peppa's jewels. Squeak! And now they're Queen Peppa's frogs. Zap, zap.
Oh dear, the castle is so full it's starting to break.
Stop! I think the castle's too small for everyone. So, you can play and I'll play something else. On my own.
We can't play castles without a queen. Yar! 'Tis no fun without Peppa. I wish we could make the castle bigger. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep, beep. That's it. Builder George, can you help us with a secret mission? Please! Yeah!
With Builder George's help, everyone makes the castle even bigger.
Yee-haw! Good work, mateys! Woof! Hooray! Queen Peppa! Bzz, come in, Queen Peppa! Ta-da! Now there's space for everyone to play! I love space.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I mean, Queen Peppa is most happy.
Peppa loves playing with her friends, even when they're surrounded by frogs.
I went kayaking down a fast river, hiking through a thick jungle. I even went scuba diving with sharks.
Today, Madame Gazelle is showing videos from her adventure holiday.
It was such a wonderful holiday. It was so exciting and adventurous. I just wish I could go back.
I wish I could go on an adventure holiday right now.
I wish I could explore a jungle.
I wish I could go Scooby diving, but not with sharks.
I know. Let's make our own adventure holiday. See, this is a jungle.
Peppa and her friends are imagining a tropical island.
Welcome to Adventure Island. I'll be your tour guide today. There's lots of exciting adventure-y things to do. Like kayaking across that river.
Danny and Gerald are pretending to kayak.
Let's go faster! Woohoo! Let's go slower.
Watch out for the waterfall.
Phew! We made it to the other side. But what about you?
I know. We'll string across using those vines. Whoa! Watch out for the angry fishies. Go, Susie.
Almost there, Susie.
Oh! Look! I found a treasure map!
Ooh! What does it say?
The treasure is over there!
everybody is imagining that the paddling pool is a beautiful lagoon.
Wow! Look what I found. I found a diamond.
I found a shoe. Oh, that's mine. What's going on here?
Now let's explore the jungle. Look at the beautiful bird.
Oh, what are you doing, children?
We were imagining an adventure holiday, just like yours.
Oh, it was such a wonderful holiday. I wish I could go back.
But Madame Gazelle, you can. Yay!
Madame Gazelle loves Adventure Island.